Hello, this is Damon Melcher with X-Treme Bait Tanks. We recently came across a product that you all have been asking for. How can you lock your bait tank? These are the same thread count as the bolts on our bait tank. So instead of just the knob, this little device screws right on, same way, crank it down. Only they come with keys. And you can lock your knob, and there's no way to get it off. So you can go to extremebaittanks.com and purchase these. These will work on every X-Treme bait tank that's out there, no matter how old it is, if you have an interest in locking your bait tank. You've got 4 knobs, you can get all 4, or if you just want to be conservative, you can get 2, one for the front, one for the back. But you can buy them individually at extremebaittanks.com, and until then you have an extreme day.